People need water, people need heating and air conditioning, people need electricity. Those are essentials. Because of those, we will never ever stop, because trades will never stop. During COVID, I had renovations. I was considered essential because I'm in the construction industry and I'm in residential. So I had private clients that I was doing renovations for that still had to happen. There are more trades jobs than there are people to fill them. And that's the beautiful thing. Hey, my name's Tracie Stern and I'm a BMR instructor here at Tidewater Tech. I'm actually a graduate in their BMR program. I have 5 years of project management and on-site construction experience. And so when I graduated, the school offered me a position as one of their instructors. What I love about the hands-on here at Tidewater Tech is it's real life. These are things, objects, situations that you're going to come across in the real world. Because of the building maintenance and repair program, they prepare you for residential as well as commercial properties. So you kind of get a little bit of both. This is actually our electrical and plumbing lab. This is where the students, once they get through the building and carpentry portion of the course, they will move into electrical and plumbing. So once they do their fundamentals in the classroom, they get to come into the lab and actually put that knowledge to use. Here you have a mock kitchen setup where you run all residential electrical right from a panel. So you run your switches, you get to understand three-way switches, two-way, how to install them, troubleshoot them. So it's real hands-on. As well as with the plumbing, we have water heaters, toilets, commercial toilets set up so the students can actually connect, disconnect, troubleshoot. They can run PVC piping as well as learn to solder the copper water lines. The other lab that we have, the building lab, is where I fell in love with carpentry. I really enjoyed the hands-on. The building lab allows us to go and build something from the ground up. Measure out your materials, understanding how many 2x4s, how many joists you need, how much flooring you need, and then the students' day class and evening classes will actually build their own little house. They go in, they put the studs in by themselves, they measure them, they cut them, they tile it, they hang drywall, and then they learn how to repair the drywall. All of those are part of that 10-week building portion, the 2 modules that encompass the building part of building maintenance and repair. One thing that we've been shown is the trades will never go away. And so it's almost guaranteed job security. When a company comes to Tidewater Tech looking for employees, they love students because students are trainable. Students don't have bad habits. And the company will hire a student knowing that we have some hands-on experience. Now we can train them, mold them in our specific field, and go from there. Don't be afraid to get dirty. Have that curiosity to learn. A lot of what they're going to be doing is really delicate and really intricate, and it's going to be dealing with things that are going to be saving people's lives, if you think about it, heating and air conditioning. And just to know that you're a part of that when you come to this school. The student just needs to have that zest to want to learn and get involved and be a part of it. So those are the kind of students that I think are perfect for Tidewater Tech, are those that are looking for interaction and looking for a connection and looking for a way to really change the world, because that's what trades do.